Good morning. Let's start your day in a space of wholeness, compassion, and balance. Sit or lie down comfortably with a long spine. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you, allowing you to relax your body completely. Gently close your eyes. Visualize a red laser beam shooting from your tailbone to the crystal core of the earth, and a white laser beam from the crown of your head to your unique soul star above, grounding you, centering you, guiding you. Now, take a deep breath through your nose. Hold. Open the mouth as you breathe out. Again, in through the nose. Hold. Long sigh out. Last one in. Hold. Long exhale through the mouth. Return to your normal breathing. With each inhale, invite in a sense of calmness and stillness. With each exhale, release any tension or clutter from your mind. Let go of any remnants of the past. Instead of thinking, "I wish I did" or "didn't do certain things," replace it with, "Now I know better." Release any concerns of tomorrow, knowing that we can set time for constructive planning, but worrying will not get us any closer to our goals. Here, in this space, only this moment exists. As you breathe in, embrace wholeness, which is the realization that you are complete, just as you are. There's no part of you that is missing, broken, or unworthy. You do not need another person, a change in your appearance, a specific status, or expensive things to complete you. Even when you face moments of challenge or doubt, remember that these are but passing experiences. They do not define the truth of who you are. Wholeness is not about perfection, but acceptance. It is the embrace of both your strengths and your vulnerabilities, your pain and your joy, your light and your shadow. In this moment, allow yourself to fully accept all aspects of yourself, your feelings, your past, your dreams, your fears, without judgment. You are whole and complete, just as you are. Allow the feeling of being whole to settle deeply within your entire being. Now, place your hand gently on your heart. As you do, feel the warmth of your own light, the energy of self-compassion, a deep kindness that you can offer to yourself at any time. Notice how your heart is always there for you, beating with love and care, even when you forget to honor it. Repeat these mantras silently. May I love myself just as I am in this moment. May I be kind to myself just as I am in this moment. May I be gentle with myself just as I am in this moment. Say them to yourself throughout the day and let them be a reminder that you are worthy of your own love, patience, and forgiveness. In this space, recognize that karmic energy is always flowing through us, through our thoughts, words, and actions. The energy we put out into the world, whether it be positive, neutral, or negative, returns to us. Karma is not a punishment, but a mirror reflecting the energy we create. We are the creator of our life. We can also be the destroyer of our life. Be skillful and wise to choose kind, loving, and wholesome thoughts, words, and actions that we wish to be reflected back to us. Imagine now a sphere of light glowing softly in the center of your heart, radiating outward. This light represents the good, wholesome energy you are cultivating in this moment through your lovingness and awareness. See this light growing larger with every breath you take, expanding beyond, touching the world around you. As it expands, know that every positive intention, every act of kindness, every moment of understanding you offer yourself and others will ripple outward, returning to you in ways you might have never imagined. Pause here for a moment and feel this gentle, illuminating energy. Trust that your thoughts and actions are shaping the energy of your life. As you move through your day, let this intention for wholesomeness, kindness, and mindful action guide you. Even if challenges arise, know that you have the power to approach them with wholesome intentions, an open heart, and a clear mind, knowing that you are enough. You are whole and worthy. Your energy is powerful and healing. Take one more deep breath in, feeling the warmth and strength of your bright inner light. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Slowly move your fingers and toes. Perhaps a nice stretch if it feels good. May you carry this sense of wholeness, compassion, and balance with you. and may it bring peace and genuine happiness to yourself and the world around you. I appreciate your presence and sharing this time with me. Sending love.